You got the easy one.
What are you packing the bus with?
Yep.
With food, goodies.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
What's the goodies there? Can I get a shot inside?
You go.
You have to look at yourself.
Yep.
Take a look at the 5 and 10.
Hello.
Listening once again.
What are you packing the bus with?
Candy cane.
Donations.
So you're doing what?
Taking donations of non-perishable food and unwrapped goods for children in need and families in need this Christmas.
Okay, take 2.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yep, yep.
Careful, huh?
Yep, I'm
You right?
Yep, I'm here. I'm following you.
Don't hurt yourself.
Yep, I'm not. So you were doing what?
Yeah, so we're taking donations of non-perishable food and unwrapped goods, like unwrapped toys, and it's for families in need this Christmas. Yeah.
For what reason?
Yeah, so it's in affiliation with Communities at Work, the charity.
For Christmas.
Yeah. It's pretty exciting.
It's fantastic. Well done. 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Just happening in Queanbeyan or everywhere?
No, so this bus drives all around Canberra, so we're Mix 106.3, the radio station. So the bus drives around Canberra, and I think we've got 14 different locations today. So we stop at all the different locations and people give stuff to us to put on the bus, and then we do drop-offs at our Communities at Work, which is in Tuggeranong.
Oh, well, yeah, Mix 106 is running the Pack the Bus promotion. Has done for the last 6 years. 5 or 6 years. Yeah, and just keeps getting bigger every year. I mean, this is just nuts. It's amazing.
See all these young people, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, this is part of our street team.
It's amazing, yeah, it's great. It's a very fun job. Love it, yeah.
Thank you. And this is your team.
Careful, step.
Yep, I'm careful. This is your team here, is it?
Yeah.
Good to see you guys.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good to see young people.
Yes.
Young people do, not old people. We don't want old people. We want young people. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
That's your job, isn't it? To do this all the time. Father Christmas. Or you were young Father Christmas.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, that's good to see.
But the prettiest sight to see is the
Can you give me a ho 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 ho?
on your own front door.
So this is radio, huh? Radio 2026, 25.
25, yeah.
I've been doing advertising and marketing for Canberra for the last 50 years.
Oh, wow.
Well, all the radio stations, television stations, Canberra Times.
Yep.
So to see the change that's happening now
Oh, yeah.
in
it's all-
2025.
It's all changed. No more vinyl, no more CDs. It's all, I mean, look, we're doing an outside broadcast on that.
Are you kidding with that? It's amazing, isn't it?
Yep.
My, how times have changed, huh?
Yes.
It's a good song, isn't it? The Bob Dylan song, isn't it? My, how things have changed.
Yeah, the times they are changing.
My camera's small. I've got a bigger camera than that.
Just a little bit. Alright, everyone wave, say pack the bus.
Pack the bus.
Yay!
That wasn't very happy. A bit louder. Come on, pack the bus. Come on.
Great.
Ho ho ho!
That'd be, rub your tummy when you do it. Ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho!
Beautiful. And what's your name?
Chris.
Chris, is it?
You made my morning.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's all good. Now all we need is somebody to come with along with a guitar, play the Queanbeyan.
Well,